What if your biggest competitor already knows which market will boom tomorrow, and you don't? Welcome to the game of data. This is your second journey. By 2030, 80% of globally expanding companies using AI and big data will be twice as profitable as their competition. The question isn't if AI will make a difference. It's this: are you the one using it, or the one watching from the sidelines? In just over 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how a smart AI strategy and big data analytics can put you in control of your next market before anyone else even sees it coming. Take Elena in Singapore. She's an entrepreneur from Frankfurt who thought she could expand into Southeast Asia on gut instinct alone. 6 months later, 250,000 euros in losses. That's when she invested in business intelligence tools. Just 90 days after that, her business turned from deep red to solid black. She learned the hard way: the loudest don't win, the smartest do. Here's what AI unlocks for your business right now. Predictive analytics. Spot the most profitable markets before they explode. Personalization. Double your conversion rates. Risk management. Cut your losses by 30%. And you can do it all sustainably, ethically, and fully GDPR compliant. But here's the urgency. McKinsey warns that without a data strategy by 2026, you could lose 20% market share. Are you ready to let that happen? Subscribe now, before your competitor does. And check out Tempulse.global to discover how to scale globally, sustainably, profitably, and data-driven. Trust is the result of fulfilled expectations,